Okay, let us solve this particular question. See, what does this summation mean? This summation basically means you have to do it in cyclic order. What does the cyclic order mean? Cyclic order means A, B, C, then B, C, A, then C, A. Let me first explain you what does the left hand side mean. The left hand side is given to us as summation of sine A, sine of B minus C. This summation sine A sine B minus C means that you have to use it in cyclic order, which means sine A sine B minus C plus sine B sine C minus A plus sine C sine A minus B. This is what it means. Whenever anything comes in a triangle, then it means like this: A B C, B C A, C A B. It will always go like this. You must remember this: A B C, B C A, C A B. So it is always like this. So we have this. Now what we do? Let us multiply and divide by 2. When we multiply and divide by 2, we get sine A sine B minus C plus sine B sine C minus A plus sine C sine A minus B. This is what we get. After getting this, you have to simply apply the formula of 2 sine A sine B. Now what is 2 sine A sine B? 2 sine A sine B is cos A minus B plus minus cos A plus B. Then again applying the formula here, cos A minus B minus cos A plus B. Direct apply the formula, plus cos A minus B minus cos A plus B. Now let us see whether some things are getting cancelled or not. A minus B plus C, A minus B plus C. So this gets cancelled with this. Then A plus B minus C, A plus B minus C. This gets cancelled with this. B plus C minus A, B plus C minus A. So this is basically what you are going to get is half into 0, which is 0. Is the whole question clear to you all students?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. See, remember this, whenever we have such kind of things, it means cyclic. ABC, BCA, CAB. Please copy down. Now we have already seen sum to product and product to sum. Now today I am going to cover formulas of multiple angle and sub-multiple angle. Today I am going to cover formulas of multiple angles and sub-multiple angles. Please understand, sub-multiple angles. Today I am going to cover formulas of multiple angles and sub-multiple angles. Multiple angle means 2 theta, 3 theta and so on. Sub-multiple angle means something like theta by 2, theta by 3 and so on. When you multiply by some integer, it is called multiple angle. When you divide by some integer, it is called sub-multiple angle. As simple as that. So today I am going to explain and a little bit more questions on based on their concept. Multiple angle and sub-multiple angle. Now the formulae of multiple angle and sub-multiple angles are very easy. See, firstly I will give you a glimpse that how we get them. We already know sine of A plus B is nothing but sine A cos B plus cos A sine B. If you put A equal to B equal to theta, you will have a formula that sine to theta is 2 sine theta cos theta. Very important formula. Sine to theta is 2 sine theta cos theta. Similarly, you have formula of cos A plus B. In that also, you put A and B theta, you will get cos to theta is cos square theta minus sine square theta. Similarly, you have formula of tan of A plus B. You put A equal to B equal to theta and you are going to get tan to theta is 2 tan theta upon 1 minus tan square theta. These are the most used formulas. Now let us play a little. A little play should be there. Now sine to theta, this can also be written down as 2 tan theta upon 1 plus tan square theta. Firstly, I want you to look at these two and note the difference. Here in the denominator you have minus sign, here in the denominator you have plus sign. Now it is very easy to prove. Let us prove it in the air, in the mind. We have developed some tricks, some learning in trigonometry. 1 plus tan square theta is sec square theta. Sec square theta jumps up, becomes cos square theta. Tan theta is sin theta upon cos theta. Cos theta here, cos square theta here, that gets cancelled, and you have 2 sin theta. So sin to theta, these both the formulas of sin to theta must always be remembered. Whenever we have sin to theta, this is equal to 2 sin theta cos theta, and this is also equal to 2 tan theta upon 1 plus tan square theta. Let us see the most versatile cos to theta. Now see, one of the formulas of cos to theta is cos square theta minus sin square theta. Now see, if you put, and listen, if you put sin square theta as 1 minus cos square theta, you get 2 cos square theta minus 1. If you put cos square theta as 1 minus sin square theta, you get 1 minus 2 sin square theta. Also this is equal to 1 minus tan square theta, 1 plus tan square theta. Easy to see. 1 plus tan square theta will become sec square theta. Sec square theta goes up cos square theta. Multiply this by cos square theta. Cos square theta into 1 cos square theta. Tan square theta is sin square theta upon cos square theta. Cos square theta cancels, you get the same. These formulae of 2 theta must always be remembered. Always be remembered. Now let us come to 3 theta. Now in the same formula, you put A equal to 2 theta, B equal to theta, you get sin 3 theta, and on manipulation you must remember sin 3 theta is 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta. Similarly, cos 3 theta is 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. Similarly, tan 3 theta is 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta 1 minus 3 tan square theta. These are the formulas of sin and cos and tan of 2 theta that must always be remembered. First tell me, did you understand all of them? Say yes. Okay. Now from the formulas of multiple angle, we have the formulas of submultiple angle. From the formulas of multiple angle, we have the formula of submultiple angle. Just listen. This is angle 2 theta. So its half comes here, theta. Its half comes here, theta. Suppose we have sin theta. Then theta's half. So this will become 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. Multiple means breaking 2 theta in terms of theta. Submultiple means breaking theta in terms of theta by 2. So we have sin theta is 2 sin theta by 2. Similarly, you will have 2 tan theta by 2 upon 1 plus tan square theta by 2. Now, is this thing clear to you all? Say yes. Very good, very good. Now, look at the formulas of cos. I don't think I need to tell, but I will tell. Cos theta can be written down as cos square theta by 2 minus sin square theta by 2, or it can be written down as 2 cos square theta by 2 minus 1, 1 minus 2 cos square theta by 2, or 1 minus tan square theta by 2 upon 1 plus tan square theta by 2. Similarly, tan theta can be written down as 2 tan theta by 2 upon 1 minus tan square theta by 2. Similarly, you can have 3 theta also. Please see, sin theta can be written down as 3 sin theta by 3 minus 4 sin cube theta by 3. Similarly, cos theta if required, cos theta is 4 cos cube theta by 3 minus 3 cos theta by 3. Similarly, tan theta can be written down as 3 tan theta by 3 minus tan cube theta by 3 upon 1 minus 3 tan square theta by. Is this thing clear to you all? Say yes. Say yes. Theta by. Yeah, please ask. Please ask.
Sir, in cos theta,
A little error, but it may go to blunder. It is 1 minus 2 sine square theta by 2. Definite. This is the formula of multiple angles and we are going to play with them. And this is the formula of some multiple angles. See, if you look at the formulas in trigonometry, these are all the formulas. The formulas in trigonometry can be divided into 4 parts. Compound angle means sine of a plus b, sine of a minus b, cos of a plus b, cos of a minus b. Sum to product, product to sum, and multiple and submultiple. That's all. Now all these formulas now we know. Now we are going to play and I am going to solve many questions and I want you to understand the logic behind them. At this occasion, one more very important formula needs to be told. Tan of a plus b plus c. Tan of a plus b plus c, you must remember, it is tan a plus tan b plus tan c minus tan a into tan b into tan c upon 1 minus tan a tan b minus tan b tan c minus tan c tan a. This is the formula of tan of a plus b plus c, always to be remembered. Tan a plus tan b plus tan c minus tan a into tan b into tan c divided by 1 minus tan a tan b minus tan b tan c minus tan c tan a. See, the formula of tan 3 theta can be derived from here. If you put a, b, c all equal to theta, you will directly get tan 3 theta is 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta upon 1 minus 3 tan square theta. Please write down all these formulas and then we are going to play with them. Please copy. Let us discuss some questions based on multiple and submultiple angle. Firstly, we are going to start with multiple angles. Okay, question number 1. If you want to solve question number 1, it is very easy. Sine 2a. Sine 2a can be written down as 2 sine a cos a. 1 plus cos 2a. Very versatile formula. Now, please understand, cos 2 theta can be written down as 1 minus 2 sine square theta or 2 cos square theta minus 4. So we have two very important formulas. 1 plus cos 2 theta becomes 2 cos square theta. 1 minus cos 2 theta becomes 2 sine square theta. Very important. Very important. If you make the list that which formula was used how many times, suppose in front of each formula you make a list that in whole IIT mathematics which formula used how many times, then these two formulae will be at the top. At least they will get, you will use them at least 10,000 times. Very useful. So in the denominator we have 1 plus cos 2a, it becomes 2 cos square a. Let's cancel the common terms. 2 gets cancelled, cos a gets cancelled, and there is a twinkle in the eye, tan a. How many of you got this right?
right, sir.
Very good. The second, please do remember these two very versatile formulas. 1 plus cos 2 theta is 2 cos square theta and 1 minus cos 2 theta is 2 sin square theta. Let us see again. Let us do the second one. Sine 2a, same kind of. Sine 2a will become 2 sin a cos a and 1 minus cos 2a will become 2 sin square a. Let us cancel the common things. 2 gets cancelled, sine get cancelled. So we are left with cot a. That is the third question. Now third question is twinkling in front of our eyes. 1 minus cos 2a is nothing but 2 sin square a. 1 plus cos 2a is nothing but 2 cos square a. Let's cancel the common things and clearly it comes out to be tan square a. As I told you, these are level 1 questions, EG, PG. Let us do question number 4. Question number 4, we have to convert it to cosec 2a. So this side we have tan a plus cot a. Let us convert to sine and cos. My teacher, my guru used to tell me, if you don't understand any question in trigonometric, convert to sine and cos. So sine A upon cos A upon sine A. Let us take the LCM. So we have sine square A plus cos square A, and here we have sine A into cos. Sine square A plus cos square A becomes 1. Multiply numerator and denominator by 2. So we have 2 sine A cos A, which you can written down as 2 upon sine 2A, which becomes 2 cosec 2A. Are all the 4 questions clear to you all students?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Do you need to call? Let us discuss the next 4 questions. Oh no, I don't think that they are much difficult, but okay. Let us discuss. Let us do the 5th question. 5th question on the left hand side, we are written tan A minus cot A. So this I think we can play it in many ways. Let us go for sine and cos. Sine A upon cos A minus cos A upon sine A. There are other ways also of doing it. So this comes out to be sine square A minus cos square A upon sine A cos A. Take minus sign common and multiply above and below by 2. When you take minus sign common, it comes out to be cos square A minus sine square A, and in the denominator you have 2 sine A cos. So minus 2 into cos 2A whole upon sine 2A. Oh my God, minus 2 cot 2A. Very good. Let us do the 6th question first. 6th question, cosec 2A, many ways of doing it. Let me do it in one way. So I am given cosec 2A, which I can write down 1 upon sine 2A. Cot 2A is cos 2A upon sine. Oh no, I am seeing something, cos 2A upon sine 2A. Let us play. 1 plus cos 2A, 2 cos square A, sine 2A is 2 sine A cos A. Let us cancel the common things. 2 gets cancelled, cos get cancelled, and we have, this comes out to be cot A. EG. Let us do the 7th question. 7th question, oh my God, it is not EG, but okay, we will make it EG. Let us combine the first and last term. In the numerator, 1 minus cos A plus B plus cos B minus cos A, and in the denominator, 1 minus cos A plus B plus cos A minus cos. We have something like this. So 1 minus cos theta. Now understand, 1 minus cos theta is 2 sine square theta by 2. Cos C minus cos D, it is very easy. It comes out to be 2 sine C plus D by 2 into sine A minus B by 2. So we have this. Now in the denominator, 1 minus cos theta is again 2 sine square A plus B by 2. Now here cos A minus cos B is 2 sine A plus B by 2 into sine B minus A by 2. Now these are simple formulas we must remember. Let us cancel the 2. Also sine A plus B by 2 gets cancelled. So in the numerator you are left with here sine of A plus B by 2 plus sine of A minus B by 2, and in the denominator sine of A plus B by 2 minus sine of A minus B by 2. Now lot of manipulation. Sine A plus sine B is 2 sine this plus this. So A plus B by 2 A by 2 into cos this minus this B by 2. In the denominator 2 sine of this minus this B by 2 into cos A by 2. The answer is twinkling. So this comes out to be sine A by 2 upon cos A by 2, tan A by 2, and cos B by 2 upon sine B by 2, cot B by 2. Very good. Let us do the last question. Let us make some space. We have some space here. I can use it to do question number 8. Cos A upon, okay, either we can prove the minus part or plus part. It doesn't matter. You can prove any part you feel like. I will prove, which I should prove? The -1 or the +1? Tell. Tell students.
Positive with percentage.
Okay. So student says plus, both are EGPG, 1 plus sine A. Now we can play with it in many ways. Cos A upon 1 plus sine A. Now see the play. A very important play is going to start. And I want you to understand this. Oh no. Oh no. As I told you, 1 plus cos 2 theta formula. Let me write down this again. 1 plus cos 2 theta is 2 cos square theta. 1 plus, plus minus. 1 minus cos 2 theta is 2 sine square theta. Similarly, we have formula of 1 plus sine theta. If you look it very closely, you will see you can write it down as sine theta by 2 plus cos theta by 2 whole square. Just see this. See, expand it in the mind. Sine square theta by 2 plus cos square theta by 2 plus 2 sine theta by 2 cos theta by 2. Sine square theta by 2 plus cos square theta by 2 1 and 2 sine theta by 2 cos it's sine. Very good, very good. Oh no. If you have 1 minus sine theta, you can write it down as sine theta by 2 minus cos theta by 2 whole square. Slowly, we are developing new formulas. Now see this. In the numerator you have cos A. I will write it down as cos square A by 2 minus sine square A by 2. In the denominator you have 1 plus sine A. So I will write it down as sine A by 2 plus cos A by 2 whole square. Now cos square A by 2 minus sine square A by 2 become cos A by 2 minus sine A by 2 whole multiplied by cos A by 2 plus sine A by 2. Very good, very good. Now in the denominator, sine A by 2 plus cos A by 2 multiplied by sine A by 2 plus cos A by 2. Let us cancel from numerator and denominator. This gets cancelled. Divide numerator and denominator by cos A by 2. Divide numerator and denominator by cos A by 2. So 1 minus tan A by 2 upon 1 plus tan A by 2. You can think it like tan 45 degree minus tan A by 2 upon 1 plus tan 45 degree tan A by 2. So this quantity, oh no, it is tan 45 degree minus A by 2. You can also remember these two formulas for faster manipulation. 1 minus tan theta upon 1 plus tan theta is tan pi by 4 minus theta, and if you have 1 plus tan theta upon 1 minus tan theta, it comes out to be tan pi by 4 plus theta. The vaster the knowledge, the faster the solution. So this is question number 8. Do you need to copy down some of them?
Yes, sir.
Okay, please copy this, then I will lift it up. Let us solve more questions based on multiple angles. Let us do question number 9. This was asked in IIT. Once it came into IIT, but no problem. From the left hand side, we have sec 8a. So, following the teachings of my guru, I will convert it to sine and cos. That always work. So, I will write it down. Cos 8a minus 1 upon cos 4a minus 1. So, this is 1 minus cos 8a whole upon cos 8a, and in the denominator 1 minus cos 4a into cos 4a. Now 1 minus cos 8a will become 2 sine square 4a. I am using the formula 1 minus cos 2 theta is 2 sine square theta into cos 4a is there, and we have cos 8a. Again using the same formula, 1 minus cos 4a is 2 sine square 2a. Now I am looking what I have to prove. Okay. Let us first cancel if something is getting cancelled. Cancelling 2, by the way, it shouldn't be cancelled. But okay, now we have cancelled it. So I need tan 8a. Tan 8a. So in the numerator what I do, I split as sine 4a into sine 4a cos 4a. I have this sine square 4a, I split it. Denominator cos 8a is there, and I have sine square 2a. This sine square 2a is already there, so I will write it down sine 2a sine 2a. Now what I am going to do, I am going to break one of the sine 4a. I will break sine 4a as 2 sine 2a cos 2a, and when I break it, my eyes start twinkling. Why they are twinkling? Because they are probably seeing the answer, sine 2a sine 2a. Let us see whether the twinkling is right or wrong. So 1 sine 2a gets cancelled. Now let us combine the things. 2 sine 4a cos 4a sine 8a, and here we have cos 8a. Oh, sine 8a upon cos 8a becomes tan 8a, and sine 2a upon cos 2a becomes tan 2a. I must write hence party. Very good question, very good question. Manipulation is there. 1 minus cos 8a, 1 minus cos 4a, then breaking, combining, every emotion is present. Let us look at question number 10. This is 9. Let us look at question number 10. 1 plus tan square theta, 1 minus tan square. I think that it is going to be EG. 1 plus tan square theta. Okay, students. 1 plus tan, let us convert it to sine and cos. This is what my guru told. So I am doing it. This is 45 degree minus a whole upon cos square 45 degree minus a, and here also 1 minus sine square of 45 degree minus a whole upon cos square of 45 degree minus. Now what I do, I multiply numerator and denominator by cos square 45 degree minus a. So I have cos square 45 degree minus a, wow, sine square 45 degree minus a. My eyes are again twinkling, minus sine square 45 degree minus. In the numerator you have 1, and cos square theta minus sine square theta is cos 2 theta, which is 90 degree minus 2a. Cos 90 minus theta is 1 upon sine 2a, and the twinkling was correct, cosec 2a. Please copy down. Let us do some more questions. Let us do the 15th question. It seems to be EGPG, 15th question. Sine theta plus sine, oh no, I think it is EG. See, here we have sine theta. Break this, explode this sine to theta. You will get 2 sine theta cos theta. In the denominator, combine 1 plus cos 2 theta. 1 plus cos 2 theta is 2 cos square theta, and cos theta is left. From the numerator, take out sine theta common. We have 1 plus 2 cos theta. From the denominator, take out cos theta common. You have 2. Oh no! There is a twinkling in my eyes. It gets cancelled, and I have tan theta. How many of you got this right? 15th question.
Sir, I got it right, sir.
Very good, very good, very good, very good. You, yes, you all are doing really very good. Oh, this 16th question. Can you see by your eyes that there are 4 terms? 1 term, 2 term, 3 term, 4 term. But every term is of the form cos 3 theta upon cos theta. See this. There are 4 terms, but here angle A, here 3 times A. Here 2A, 3 times 2A. 3A, 3 times 3A. 6A, 3 times 6. Is this okay? Say yes. So what I am thinking, let me manipulate this. So I can break down cos 3 theta as 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta whole upon cos. Now my eyes are also seeing, and my mind is telling me here A, here 2A, here 2A, 4A, 3A, 6A. So it is something like making cos 2 theta. So I have 4 cos square theta minus 3. So I will write it down as 2 cos square theta minus 3, which I can write down as 1 plus cos 2 theta minus 3. So 2 plus 2 so this thing is cos 2 theta minus 1. Now on the left hand side, the first term will become 2 cos 2a minus 1. The second term will become 2 cos 4a minus 1. The third term will become 2 cos 6a minus 1. The fourth term will become 2 cos 12a minus 1. My eyes are again twinkling. Is the twinkle right or wrong? Tell students. Tell.
Sir.
Yes, the twinkle is absolutely right. The twinkle is going to help, and we can say minus 1 plus. Take 2 common. This is manipulation, and this only happens in math. Writing down the same thing in many ways. Hence party. See, this is equal to this also. This is equal to this also. This is equal to this also. Please copy down.